卵焼き、通称玉を作っていきたいと思います。
Thank you for watching our videos. First online course has finally been released on Udemy. Course link is available in the description box. We hope you will make your own unique sushi for your customers and loved ones.
In this lecture, I will explain how to make Tamagoyaki, the Japanese-style rolled omelette. At the sushi restaurant, Tamagoyaki is called gyoku. We use 8 large eggs to make one Tamagoyaki. To season the egg, we use salt, sugar, and dashi broth. How to season Tamagoyaki is varied from restaurant to restaurant. Some restaurant uses mirin or light soy sauce, but I keep it simple. First, pour dashi broth into a medium-sized bowl, add salt and sugar.
で、こちらは混ぜていきます。
Whisk well until the sugar and salt dissolve. In a separate bowl, crack eggs and beat them until the egg yolks and egg whites are combined.
で、大体混ざったらですね、先ほどのやつをこれですね。
Pour dashi mixture into the beaten egg. Whisk until well combined. Use the whisk back and forth to cut the egg whites and mix well. When you move the whisk in a circular motion, the eggs are just following the whisk. It's not mixing. Use your whisk as if you are cutting the eggs. After mixing, be sure to give it a taste. Yes, it is perfect. If you are not happy with the taste, add more seasonings at this point. Add a little salt at a time to your taste. The salt enhances the sweetness of the sugar. The egg mixture is ready. Now let's cook the tamagoyaki. Let's start cooking the tamagoyaki, as known as gyoku. Take a look at this tamagoyaki pan made of copper. Fill the pan with the vegetable oil just below the edges. Let it warm for a while on the lowest possible heat to season the tamagoyaki pan. Do not ever cook on high heat. Otherwise, the oil catches the fire and it will be extremely dangerous. Keep in mind, cook on the lowest possible heat. Now it looks enough. Remove the oil. Wipe off the excess oil with the kitchen paper. Start cooking over low heat to cook slowly. It depends on the chef how to cook. Some are cooked over medium heat or high heat, but I cook it on low heat to cook it slowly. Give it a whisk just before cooking to even out the mixture. Ladle the mixture in the frying pan. Run the mixture all over the surface. You can use chopsticks, but a metal spatula makes it easier to roll the eggs. Toss the pan and fold the egg in 3. It's a little bit too brown, but it's just fine. Slide the cooked egg away from you and grease the exposed surface again. Ladle the egg mixture again and run the egg mixture under the cooked egg. When the egg sparks up, poke with the chopsticks to varnish it. Roll it up while the egg is still wet on the surface to stick together. Repeat the process until all the egg mixture is used up. Lastly, shape it with a wooden lid. Press the wooden lid or spatula to make into rectangle. And press it and cook the outside gets a beautiful golden brown. Now it's done. And flip it over onto the wooden lid. You can serve warm as it is, or leave it until it comes to room temperature, then chill in the fridge before slicing and making it into sushi. You can keep it for up to 3 days in the fridge.
First online course has finally been released on Udemy. Course link is available in the description box. We hope you will make your own unique sushi for your customers and loved ones.
This is the samurai sushi spirits.
ありがとうございます。またお越しくださいませ。